In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export HD video in Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the best HD option for your project, without any confusion. First, head to the Renderforest homepage. This is your starting point for everything. Make sure you're in the right account and that the project you want to export is already created and saved. Having your edits finalized now will save time later, because once you move into exporting, you'll want everything ready to go. Next, click on Projects. This takes you to your personal library where all your videos are stored. It's the central hub for managing drafts and completed pieces. Find the video you want to export. If you've been working recently, it should appear right at the top. Open that project by clicking Edit. This launches the editor for that specific video. Take a quick moment to confirm your scenes, text, and media look correct. If you need to make small tweaks, do them here so your export reflects your latest changes. Once you're satisfied, you're ready for the final step. Click Export. You'll see the available HD options. Both choices are HD, which means they're suitable for professional use. Typically, you'll see 720p HD and 1080p Full HD. 720p is a lighter file size and a great choice for quick sharing, online previews, or places where bandwidth is limited. 1080p gives you more detail and a sharper look, especially on larger screens, making it ideal for presentations, websites, or YouTube uploads where quality matters. Keep in mind that higher resolution may take longer to render and download. Here's an important note about plans and project types. If you're using a template and you're on a free subscription, you can only export at 720p. However, if your project was created from scratch, you can use both 720p and 1080p even on the free tier. That distinction can make a big difference when you're deciding how to build your project and what quality you plan to deliver. After you choose your resolution and confirm, Renderforest will start processing your video. Rendering time depends on length, complexity, and current server load, so a little patience goes a long way. Keep your browser open and avoid heavy multitasking to prevent interruptions. When it's finished, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your export and you're done. That's all you need to export HD video in Renderforest with confidence.